I'm Mike Zima, a digital marketing expert, and today I'm going to start Monday Strong with these 3 entrepreneurial tips. These tips are going to go into the insights of a remote worker and how you can succeed managing your own business and your own time online. So I'm going to start with the first one from Tran, who's a digital marketing strategist at Hollingsworth. Creating background noise. Funny enough, when I work at home, having background noise really helps me concentrate. I will either play TV shows on Netflix, Amazon Prime, or listen to music randomly generated on Pandora. A silent environment tends to make me lose focus. And this is a very interesting habit to have, that you actually have to have something playing in the background. I've met tons of people that thrive in that. I'm actually a bit more, I need silence. I do play music. I think music is very helpful, but when you're just so into the work, I don't even notice if there's background music or not, depending on my work environment. But I can't stand working in cafes because it's just so noisy. So the next one is an interesting one. It's using Parkinsons Law. I use an app called Alinof timer on my MacBook. It is extremely powerful and enables me to take each task, which I set a limit of 30 minutes, and then timers alert me when my time is up. The use of Parkinson's Law really helps me get more done. Well, thank you, James Dyble, Managing Director of Global Sound Group. It was a very insightful tip. I always think that everyone struggles with project management because you're putting 10 to 20% of your time into physically managing the project, right? It's a lot of time going there. So as a remote worker, saving time is really important, and time blocking, this is something that I want to check out. If this is something I can look into, this seems very interesting and useful. Thanks again, James. Ignore the rules. I ignore all the rules, hacks, and tactics as much as possible. That includes things like turnkey automation systems or secrets to double something in X days. As a remote worker, it's so easy to chase marketers, sales copy dreams, or spend time much more as a consumer and not as a producer. After the first year online, there aren't any secrets that you need to keep on searching for. And James Lovis, Managing Director of Out of Box Innovations, I can't agree with you more. We're always looking for these shortcuts, but in a lot of the ways, you're never going to find something that's personalized to your just experience that you actually have by just doing it. You can learn a lot along the way, but it really isn't necessary. You have to develop your own flavor of remote work and online, whether it's if you have some sort of different disciplines that you need sound. And it's very interesting. So I'm going to try to apply the Parkinson's law and really, when I have some time today, look into what that is in the first place. But I'm very well aware of time blocking. Let me know which one of these productivity hacks influenced you the most.